Okay, today is February 7th, 2023. We're currently here on Miss Johnson's roof. We're going to do a repair simulation. Just want to show you guys the shingles ahead of time. I'm going to set the camera down. I'm going to take that shingle off and reinstall it as if it were new. Hopefully that's good. Just going to break the seals. Okay, I believe that should be shingle removed. Just gonna double check real quick. Oh, hold on. Okay. Now I believe that is shingle removed. Shingle removed. We have some mat transferring. Gonna go ahead and reinstall it as if it were new. Just gonna get it lined up. Okay. Put my crowbar back. So I'm only gonna lift this shingle high enough for my hammer and nail to get underneath it. Okay, shingle installed. Just gonna go ahead and mark it up so that way you guys see what I see. Okay, I'm gonna take my gloves off now and show you guys what I see. Okay, so R&R, current damage. So we'll go ahead and start number 1. As you can see, this line is showing pretty heavily right now. It's gonna hinge in that top left right there. It's gonna hinge in the middle right there, and then in the top right there. Number 2, same thing. You can already start seeing this line occurring as well. It's gonna hinge right there in that top left. It's gonna hinge in the middle, and then it's gonna hinge in that top right corner right there. Number 3, same thing. You can already start seeing this line occurring pretty heavily. You see it hinge in that top left. It's gonna hinge in the middle right there. And it's actually gonna hinge in the top right corner as well. Number 4, same thing. You can already start seeing this line appearing as well. It's gonna hinge in that top left corner, and it's gonna hinge in the middle, and then it'll actually hinge in that top right corner right there. Number 5, same thing. You can already start seeing this line occurring as well. It's gonna hinge in that top left corner right there. It's gonna hinge in the middle, and it's gonna hinge in the top right. Number 6, same thing. You can already start seeing this line occurring pretty heavily as well. It's gonna hinge in that top left corner right there. It's gonna hinge in the middle, and it's actually gonna hinge right there, the top right corner. Number 7, same thing. You can already start seeing this line occurring as well. It's gonna hinge in that top left corner right there, and it's actually gonna hinge in the middle as well right there. So again, we're on Miss Johnson's roof. I just advise you guys to please relook into this claim for her. Thank you.